Welcome to the Effective Jenkins Learning Path. This is the second course of a 3-series course, Continuous Delivery with Jenkins Pipeline. Jenkins is one of the most popular continuous integration servers. This popularity became because it is a very flexible tool and an open source project. My name is Rodrigo and I will be your host in this course. I have more than 14 years experience working on software development with different programming languages and technologies in different countries, such as Brazil, US, Portugal, Germany, and Austria. I am enthusiastic and practitioner of continuous delivery and DevOps with large-scale adoption experience. And I'm also a Jenkins certified engineer. Now let's see what you can expect from this course. First, we are going to understand the main concepts of DevOps and the delivery pipeline. Then, to design a production-ready delivery pipeline, we will start by creating a simple pipeline and understand the terms of Jenkins Pipeline and its particularities. Next, we are going to store this pipeline in the version control using the Jenkins file. Going further, set up Docker to create isolated build environments. And to consolidate our learning, we will create a delivery pipeline to build, test, and deploy the Java Web project. In this project, we are going to understand and implement the different stages of the Jenkins pipeline towards continuous delivery. Before we move on to the course, it's important to understand that we expect you to have a Jenkins master and a Linux node up and running. If you don't have this set up already, you can alternatively install VirtualBox and Vagrant. And you can find the source code of Vagrant with all of the necessary environments that we need for this course in the GitHub Effective Jenkins account. Welcome to the Effective Jenkins Learning Path. This is the first course of a 3-series course. Getting started with Jenkins. Jenkins is one of the most popular continuous integration servers. This popularity became because it is an open source project and a very flexible tool, which you can easily use it to automate all of the steps of your software development process on any platform. Jenkins has numerous plugins to complete integration with different technologies. It's written in Java and it can be installed on many different operating systems. Its systems architecture consists of a master server and build node servers, which you can scale out the CI environment as much as you need. This course is designed to give you a foundation of the concepts of continuous integration and continuous delivery, as well implement those with Jenkins. It will show you how to set up your CI environment by installing and configuring Jenkins master and nodes, giving an introduction to the main parts of the tool and effectively configure Jenkins projects to build and test a software application. My name is Rodrigo and I will be your host in this course. I have more than 14 years experience working on software development with different programming languages and technologies in different countries such as Brazil, US, Portugal, Germany, and Austria. I'm also an enthusiast and a practitioner of continuous delivery and DevOps with large-scale adoption experience. And I'm also a Jenkins certified engineer. Now let's see what you can expect from this course. We will start this course by mastering on the key concepts of continuous integration, continuous delivery, and continuous deployment. After that, we will deep dive on how to install Jenkins and also have a general overview. Once we have Jenkins installed, we will understand the global configuration, security, plugins, and also add a new build node to build our projects. Going further, we will create freestyle projects and also set up email notifications. Finally, we will integrate Jenkins with GitHub to use a Java web project. With this project, we are going to create a CI build pipeline and also create a build monitor.